Alright, so I'm only testing one motor right now. We have to adjust the trim on these a little bit. Not the other way. Hold on a second. There, that kind of trimmed out. Okay. I'm not going to go full throttle. I'm going to kind of hold up this end. I'm only running one motor for a lift test. And I'm only supporting this side. Whew, hold on. Slow down. That's not even at full throttle. It's about 40%. And that is with an 80C battery, but they'll be running with 120C batteries. And I still have my aileron control right here. And if you look at over here, I still have my yaw control with the front thruster, which will go here. And then that'll complete the circuit. I have a motor installed here, but I haven't done anything with it. I'm just trying to see how far. I get about close to half throttle on one motor. So far, so good.